What do you do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how we're gonna get free traffic from Reddit to your website. With that said, let's get it. Okay, so with this strategy you're gonna need to have a website. And if you don't have a website, you can go create a free website with Blogger or Google Sites. There are tons of free options out there, and those can be pretty good when you're just starting out. But if you want to start a website, I'm gonna leave my affiliate link in the description of this very video for you guys to get started with Bluehost, and it's what I'm using to host my website. So you can start a website for a price of just only $3 a month. That's half the price of a coffee, so you can get started with that. So with that said, let me show you the strategy we're going to be using. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google, and what you want to do when you go to Google is you want to search for a keyword in your niche. So for me, I'm in the make money online niche, but you don't have to be in this niche. So what you have to do is you search for a specific keyword. Don't go to the or tab or tab or videos tab. Switch over to the news tab, and what you want to do is you want to look for articles that are trending or that are in the news tab of Google. And what you want to do is you want to open up a bunch of these tabs in a new window. Simply open them up and take a look at what they're writing about, so you can read these articles. Then read as many as you can. Then what you want to do is you want to rewrite what they wrote about in your own words on your own website. And reading this should not take you anywhere from 30 minutes. You can do that with 30 minutes. And once you're done, make sure you don't copy and paste. That's not good at all. So make sure you don't copy and paste. Read the articles, get an idea of what they're writing about, and write it on your own website. So for this example, I read those articles and I saw that they were missing some few ideas. I added some few ideas to the blog I had written. So okay, so you add ideas, then you add your affiliate links, or if you don't have an affiliate link, you can add links to your services or anything like that. Then what you want to do is you want to go to Reddit and search for a specific subreddit in your niche. So for this example, I searched for make money online, and there are a ton of Reddit that you can post to. So this is just one Reddit that I got a chance to post to, and one of my posts got viral. I posted to multiple subreddits, but they didn't get as much traction. So you will have to test. That's the only disadvantage with this method. You have to test in multiple subreddits, and some subreddits, they don't allow you to post your links in there. So there is a way around that. You can make a simple post, then in the bottom, after giving some value, you will attach a link to in your post, and then refer people to your own website. You can get away with that, but some 9 times out of 10 it won't work. So what you need to do is look for those subreddits that allow you to post links and them linking back to your website. So I found this random subreddit. It has few members, and it usually has 3 people online, which is weird. But you can see that I posted this 2 days ago. This was on February 2nd 2021. So when I posted this, and it has over 15 upvotes. So it's on top of this subreddit. So anybody who comes to this subreddit is gonna be able to see my post in the subreddit. And with this method, I've got about 30 visitors from the day I posted this. I got 8 people to my website. Then today I have got over 60 people to my website by just this same post in this subreddit. So that is the strategy. If you liked it, leave a like on this video, and if you hated it, leave a dislike on this video. And if you really enjoyed the content, subscribe. And if you don't like it, get out of here. Yeah, get out of here. Just leave.